Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing this V-part wig from UNice hair. So let's go ahead and get started. So UNice was kind enough to send over their V-part body wave unit. I'm going to be installing it for you all today. So what I really like about the V-part wigs is that you can have minimum to no leave out depending on how you style the hair. I do just a minimum amount of leave out with my hair. I do shape it into the form of a V so that I can just have a little bit of the hair remaining left out. And my hair wasn't braided or anything, so I'm just going to pull it back into 2 ponytails. So that way we can get the wig installed with ease and it'll lay flat. So this is how the V-part wig is made. It has a total of 6 clip-ons inside of the unit. I'm going to use the top 5 in the front. They have one in like the back section, but I'm not going to use that one. And then there's also 3 combs, and I'm going to use the 2 combs in the front as well as the one in the back. So I start off with the back clip-in areas first and then just pull it forward so that way I can make sure it's as far up as I need it to be around my hairline. And these clip-ins make the wig very secure, you guys, so you don't have to worry about your wig slipping and sliding or coming off or anything, because when I say it holds, it really holds. And then those 2 combs in the front really help as well. So I'm just brushing the hair out so you guys can see like what the texture looks like. It's really pretty and soft hair, and I really like how it looks brushed out as well, but I'm going to add some heat to the hair and just add some loose curls. I'm using 2 styling tools today. I'm going to use my flat iron and then my curling wand. I'm using my flat iron just because I do want the hair to be a little bit straight towards like the root area, which is why you'll see me only straightening out that part. And then I'm going to add the curls to the end. I just didn't want it to look wavy in some areas and then straight in the other. And that's how the curls come out. I'm just making them loose and then I'm going to brush them out towards the end. So sit back and enjoy and watch me add these curls to my hair. And then once I get up to the top of my hair, I'm just going to make sure I straighten that out some more. And then once I get finished adding the curls to the hair, I am going to cut some layers in it in the front just to make it look a little bit more put together. I don't know, in my opinion. And then we're going to move on to my leave out. I'm just going to straighten it out because I need it to at least blend into the hair and kind of match the texture. Alright, so once that is finished, now we're going to move on to cutting the layers. And I'm only going to cut the layers like right in the front. And once I finish cutting the layers, then I'm just going to brush it on out. And that's the end of that installation process, you guys. It's very easy, very simple wig to install. I really like it. I wore it the next day, actually. After installing this wig, I wore it to work. If you guys are looking for something that you don't have to deal with any lace, and then you don't have to deal with much leave out, I would highly suggest trying out the V-part wigs. I really like them. I honestly kind of prefer them over the U-part wigs because they don't require as much of your hair to be left out, especially when you don't want to like put a bunch of heat on your hair or cause any damage. I think these are a little bit more efficient that way. Quality of the hair, like I said, is amazing. I really like it. It's soft. They do have other lengths if you guys are not interested in this longer length. So if you guys are interested in this wig, check out my description bar. I have the direct link to this wig. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to UNice for sending this unit over. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.